not going to lie, Sophie. Becoming a good researcher takes time, hard work, patience, and practice. Okay, but remember this. Yes, you can do research for your writing. I have 8 tips for you to make researching easier, and it's all about organization. Tip number 1, first and foremost, document your sources or references from the start. Figure out how many sources you need. Search for everything you can about your topic. Read everything you can about your topic. Organize your research by topic. Write a working or draft thesis. Get research notes for your major thesis points before writing. And finally, and as importantly as tip number 1, put a note in brackets, more research here, as you write your first draft. Do not stop to research while drafting. That's when you start writing your essay for the first time, before you edit it. And it's good to use these 8 tips on researching for your writing too.